Shell has partnered with Siemens to create the heart of the cogeneration system for the Carmon Creek project. Siemens will supply generators and turbines, as well as the engineering to support the construction and maintenance of the facility.
Shell and Siemens are two world-class companies. They got that way because of their safety culture.
Siemens have a lot of engineering expertise in the power plant industry, and we've built on that, so they're now part of the engineering team and they work quite closely with the Shell engineers. So the two organisations work together, Shell bringing their oil and gas experience and Siemens bringing their power plant experience.
It's not just in the plant, and it's not just here in Charlotte, it's touching the entire project from here to Canada.
Folks from Shell and Carmon Creek came in, got to know our people, and then said, hey, we want to do a program where we recognize folks for good safety behavior. So they brought it to my attention and said, is it okay if they do this? I said, well, yeah, of course it is.
Through the entire production process at Siemens work sites, Shell has implemented a safety incentives program to encourage a strong safety culture.
And the idea was that we set off from day one with a strong safety culture. Basically, when we visit the Charlotte factory or whenever our inspectors visit the factory, they participate in safety walk downs. We also give gifts to people for safety interventions in the factory.
So we have to look at everything from ladders to hydrocarbon releases. Everything under the sun we have to consider and look at, and it takes time. Safety is not something that you can rush through.
They're incorporating their team members in the process in pursuit of safety excellence. You know, we usually go through several hands before it's actually put in the field. So it's refreshing to see the end user take an interest in each of the components of their very complex project.
We've actually sent people down and they've been intimately involved in the manufacturing process, and we've done certain inspections and checks that have been a little bit unusual to Siemens, but nevertheless they have catered for those, and it's been quite a successful collaboration.
And it would have made the process go a lot faster. And that's what we're trying to do in the future with other vendors.
We've developed a relationship over time, and I think it's a consolidated way to execute projects. So I guess both Siemens and Shell will be looking to use this model on other cogeneration plants that Shell are developing.